In front of me is ZTE Nubia N1 Lite, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select accounts, and here, as you can see, we are currently logged in with Google account. So just open it, and if you'd like to remove this account and all the data connected with it, tap on the more icon and mark remove account. And if you truly want to remove this account with all its data, tap on remove account. Now you have to confirm it by tapping on OK and then enter either your pattern, or you can also use the fingerprint if you have it set. And that's it. As you can see, it has been deleted. And then whenever you would like to add another Google account, or maybe you are adding it for the first time, you have to open the settings at first, then find and select accounts. Here click on add account, select Google. Let me enter the pattern. This is the unlocked pattern that you have. You will have to provide it if you have some screen protection added. If not, it will just smoothly go. And now enter your email address or phone number, whichever is connected with your Google account. In my case, it's email address. And click on next. And now it's time to enter the password. So let me do it off the screen. And then click on next. Here you've got Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. And if you do agree with all the terms and conditions, tap on I agree. And that's it. As you can see, it has been added. Just click on accept to confirm your selection of all Google Terms and Services. And if you click here, you will be able to check the details of your Google account. So that would be all. This is how you can add Google account in your ZTE Nubia N1 Lite. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.